Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ted Neum. I'm a food, beverage, and portrait photographer based out of Philadelphia. What you see here is pretty much everything I'm planning to bring on the trip. I'm going to Chicago in June to attend the James Beard Awards. My friends at the Lovers Bar has made the finalists for the awards ceremony this year again. So I'm going there to support them and obviously document them hopefully win the award this year. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be carrying with me. I'm using this uptime to an opportunity to learn and practice creating a more cohesive video work. I'm obviously going to still do photography out there, but I'm trying to do more video, so I'm using this opportunity to do so. I'm hoping to be able to go to Japan in the fall, provided the flight prices don't jump through the roof because of the fucking Iran shit, because gas prices are going out of whack. But for Chicago, I'm just bringing this, what I think is a small set of gear. The only thing that's not here that I am bringing is obviously my clothes. I got to bring a suit, my iPad, but on this table in terms of photography and video work, this is what I'm planning to bring. I'm going to bring in the R6 Mark III instead of R5 Mark II, but the R6 Mark III is recording me right now. My 35 VCM's on it too, so I'm most likely going to bring the 35mm VCM instead of the Thypoc. But I'm bringing the 50mm, the 35, and the 24-70 in terms of camera body and lenses. Obviously ND filters. I have my VND on my 35 right now, but excuse me. I'll probably bring the one more, like a 2-stop or 3-stop on this to add on to the ND to make it like what's currently on there, a 2 to 5 stop to a 5 to 9 stop or 8 stop ND filters with MIS filtration. My ProPhoto C1 Plus, which is still going strong. I can't control the power output anymore because I broke it somehow, and the trigger for the light. My Hollyland VCore 2 for remote and on-camera monitoring for video. My Rode Rode Video mic. My Hollyland lav mics. I have one on me right now. Obviously camera batteries, a tabletop tripod, my Lexar Workflow Go, a notepad probably smaller than this. I'll probably bring like a portable battery bank, but I need to get one that's smaller than the one I have, because that one is about the same size as my orange notepad right here. Obviously cables like HDMI and that sort, but this is for the most part what I'm be carrying with me in terms of camera gear for Chicago. I know should I go to Japan, the lens set might be the same, but honestly, even for Japan, I feel like this is still the set I'd probably bring. I'll probably bring the top handle on my camera right now too. But it's currently on the shooting me right now for when I go. But I feel like this is a great optimal set for video work when I travel. It's still a lot of stuff, but just enough stuff for me to do what I do. I don't do wildlife. I'm primarily photograph and do video of food. So for me, like the 24-70 pretty much gets everything I need. I'd love to bring the 85 or my 100mm macro, but that's too much stuff. So that's the 70 is just good enough. And I hardly ever shoot at 1.4 or under 2.0. Only in really low light situations is when I do. But for the most part, 70 is okay. But, you know, obviously I'd rather have 85 or longer. But I feel like this is a great optimal set for me when I travel in that sort. It covers pretty much all my bases. I'm still deciding whether or not I would bring a tripod with me to Chicago. I don't think I'd bring a tripod, like aside from this tabletop tripods with me to when I go to travel abroad, because having a bigger tripod is way too much stuff, especially when it's not paid work kind of travel. But yeah, this is, I feel like, is a good set of gear that I'd carry with me to when I travel. It obviously fits in my Shimoda Urban Explorer, and not all this will fit in my Wotancraft side bag, but I feel like a good amount will, and it does get a little heavy, but it's possible to carry this all in my Wotancraft. Obviously when I travel, I break it down so I don't carry all this stuff, but yeah, this is what I'm going to carry with me when I travel. Obviously your own packing uses might be different, so I would definitely not carry everything you have with you when you travel. Unless you're doing actual paid work, then you should carry extra than what you need, because you don't know what you need if something goes down and you need a backup. But if you're solo traveling mostly for fun, then it's like, for me, this is what I could get away with. And I don't want to, obviously, I have more stuff that I'd love to carry with me, but in one bag, and that's where it's too much. So yeah, that's this video, just me planning out my packing for Chicago and hopefully Japan. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Leave your comments down below if you're planning trips yourself. We could commiserate on fuel prices for flights. But anyway, just leave a comment. I'd love to hear about your travels and plans and that sort. And I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace.